There comes a day when you get tired of pointing fingers, tired of saying, they made me feel this way, tired of waiting for someone else to change so you can feel peace. Because deep down, your inner voice says, what if it's not them? What if it's me who is holding the thread of this reality? It's easy to blame. Blame gives us comfort. It tells us we are right, we are the victim, we deserve sympathy. But every time we blame, we hand over our power. We say, you control my peace. And that's where the suffering begins. The truth is, life only mirrors us. The anger, the rejection, they all reveal the parts within us that are waiting to be healed. When I started taking responsibility for how I responded, not what happened, but how I responded, everything began to shift. I realized that responsibility isn't guilt, it's freedom. Freedom to choose peace when your mind wants to react. Freedom to set boundaries instead of expecting others to read your silence. Freedom to say, yes, this hurts me, but I will decide how long it stays within me. Responsibility doesn't mean perfection. It means awareness. It means asking, what is this moment showing me about myself? Because every situation is a teacher disguised as life. When we stop blaming, we stop separating. We begin to see that there is no me and them, only reflections of consciousness playing out in the form. And in that seeing, something beautiful happens. The war inside stops, and peace like dawn slowly rises again. So today, take one small step back into your power. Notice where you blame and gently replace it with awareness. And ask yourself what part of me is being shown through this moment. You will see life was never against you. It was only waiting for you to take responsibility for how deeply you live it. If this message spoke to your heart, breathe with it for a while and share it with someone who is ready to remember their power too. And if you are on this journey of awareness, subscribe and let's walk this path together, gently, truthfully, and awake. I am Jyoti Khatri. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling, bye.